In this podcast episode, Dr. Ellen Langer, a Harvard psychology professor and pioneer in the field of psychology, discusses the concept of mind-body unity and its impact on health and aging. She emphasizes the importance of mindfulness in improving physical health and reversing the effects of aging. Dr. Langer emphasizes the connection between the mind and body, stating that our thoughts and perceptions can influence our physical health. She conducted a study known as the counterclockwise study in 1979, where elderly men lived as their younger selves for a week. The results showed improvements in vision, hearing, memory, strength, and overall appearance. This study demonstrated the power of mindset in influencing physical health and aging. She also shares a study where chambermaids who viewed their work as exercise experienced weight loss, improved body mass index, and lower blood pressure. This highlights the impact of mindset on physical well-being. Dr. Langer explains that mindfulness is not about meditation, but about actively noticing new things and being open to change. By adopting a mindset of uncertainty and embracing new experiences, individuals can improve their well-being and longevity. Dr. Langer believes that mindlessness is the root cause of sickness, illness, and disease. Mindlessness refers to responding to the world based on absolutes and not being open to change. By being mindful and recognizing that everything is constantly changing, individuals can avoid stress and improve their health. Dr. Langer suggests that stress is caused by the views individuals take of events rather than the events themselves. By practicing mindfulness and reframing negative thoughts into positive outcomes, individuals can manage stress effectively. She advises focusing on the advantages of a situation and being prepared to deal with whatever outcome may arise. Dr. Langer shares personal experiences, such as losing her belongings in a fire and facing challenges like divorce and the death of her mother. Despite these hardships, she maintains a calm and rational approach to handling difficult situations. She emphasizes the importance of not getting caught up in negative emotions and focusing on solutions rather than problems. In a recent study on wound healing, participants were subjected to wounds created through Chinese cupping. The perceived time, as indicated by a clock running at different speeds, influenced the healing process. This demonstrates the power of perception and mindset in influencing physical outcomes. Dr. Langer discusses the placebo effect and how mindset plays a crucial role in healing. By believing in the effectiveness of a treatment, individuals can experience positive outcomes. This highlights the influence of thoughts and beliefs on physical health. She also mentions the concept of mindful eating, where individuals pay attention to their food choices and eating habits. By being mindful of what and how they eat, people can make healthier choices and maintain a balanced diet. This approach can help in weight management and overall health. Dr. Langer advocates for work-life integration, where individuals find enjoyment and fulfillment in their daily activities. By approaching work and play with a mindful and engaged mindset, people can experience greater satisfaction and well-being. This approach promotes a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. In a sermon on forgiveness, Dr. Langer challenges conventional beliefs about forgiveness and blame. She suggests that both forgiveness and blame can have positive and negative aspects, depending on the context. By reevaluating our perceptions and attitudes towards forgiveness and blame, individuals can cultivate a deeper understanding of these concepts. She suggests that blaming others for their actions stems from a negative worldview and can hinder the process of forgiveness. Instead, she encourages understanding the reasons behind people's behavior and reframing the narrative to foster forgiveness. Dr. Langer introduces the idea that trying is more valuable than giving up, as it signifies an active effort towards a goal. She uses examples like the Yoda study to illustrate the importance of taking action rather than simply attempting something. She emphasizes the joy of the process rather than focusing solely on the outcome. Dr. Langer discusses the significance of language in shaping our perceptions and understanding of the world. She challenges the notion of labeling things as good or bad, emphasizing that events themselves are neutral until we assign meaning to them. By being mindful of our language and reframing our thoughts, we can shift our perspective and approach to life. Dr. Langer challenges traditional decision-making processes by suggesting that trying to make the right decision is futile. Instead, she proposes making the decision right by accepting and embracing the choice made. She highlights the fluid nature of decisions and the importance of adapting to changing circumstances. She explores the concept of abundance and encourages individuals to align their thoughts with abundance even in challenging situations. By reframing scarcity mindset and appreciating the abundance in life, people can cultivate a more positive and fulfilling existence. In a hypothetical scenario, Dr. Langer reflects on the three truths she would leave behind if she could only share three lessons with the world. She emphasizes the importance of understanding behavior, embracing uncertainty, and embodying generosity, love, authenticity, directness, and openness as keys to a happy and fulfilling life. Dr. Langer defines greatness as being awake, present, and fully engaged in the moment. She underscores the significance of mindfulness, curiosity, and openness in experiencing life to its fullest potential.